Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here to discuss important MCQs on cloning vectors part 2. Coming to the question number 1. Cosmet vectors are option A plasmids that contains fragment of lambda DNA including the cos site. Option B pages that lacks cos site. Option C plasmids that have no selection marker. Option D cryptic plasmid. And here correct answer is plasmid that contains fragment of lambda DNA including the cos site. And here cosmids are hybrid between the plasmid and the phases. So here the cos site helps required for the packaging of DNA into the lambda phase particles. So it contains both the plasmid fragment of lambda DNA that is cos site. Into the question number 2, cosmid lacked option A genes coding for viral protein, option B origin of replication, option C marker genes coding for replication, option D cleavage site for the insertion of foreign DNA. Here cosmid lacks genes coding for the viral proteins. Coming to the question number 3, cosmid vectors are used for option A cloning small fragments of DNA, option B cloning large fragment of DNA, option C cloning prokaryotic DNA only, option D cloning eukaryotic DNA only. Here plasmid vectors used for cloning of large fragment of DNA. Question number 4. Single stranded vectors are useful option A for sequencing of cloned DNA, option B for oligonucleotide directed mutagenesis, option C for probe preparation, option D all of the above. The single-stranded vectors are M13F1. These are the filamented polyphases contained in the single-stranded DNA. So these single-stranded DNA vectors are useful for all of these. Either for the sequencing of cloned DNA, for oligonucleotide directed mutagenesis, and for preparation. Question number 5. Cryptic plasmids are option A do not exhibit any phenotype trait, option B exhibit many phenotypic traits, option C exhibit one phenotypic trait, option D exhibit antibiotic resistance. And here correct answer is cryptic plasmids do not exhibit any phenotypic trait. Question number 6. Plasmid consists of option A plasmid vector carrying lambda phase cos site, option B plasmid vector carrying lambda attachment ATT site, option C plasmid vector carrying origin of replication of lambda phase only, option D plasmid vector carrying origin of replication of plasmid only. Here the plasmid consists of plasmid vector carrying the lambda attachment, that is the ATT site. This is the correct answer here. Question number 7. Maximum size of foreign DNA that can be inserted into an insertion vector is option A 35 kb, option B 18 kb, option C 50 kb, option D 27 kb. And here correct answer is option B 18 kb. There are two types of vectors. One is replacement vector and another one is insertion vector. In replacement vector, 20 to 25 kb of foreign DNA can be inserted. In insertion vector, there is 18 kb foreign DNA can be inserted. And while the insertion vector has the ability to insert moderate length of foreign DNA, while the replacement vectors has ability to accommodate larger length of foreign DNA. Coming to the question number 8, which is an example of a simplest vector in terms of size? Option A 2 micron circle, option B bacteriophage, option C plasmid, option D egg. And here coming to the simplest vector, it is the plasmid. Question number 9, which organism has the highest number of vectors? Option A yeast, option B mammalian cells, option C E. coli, option D fungi. And here correct answer is E. coli. Coming to the question number 10, which of the following properties is not taken into account while looking for a suitable vector? Option A, size. Option B, parent organism. Option C, restriction site. Option C, origin of replication. So here, which is not taken into account, that is the parent organism. Here, correct answer is parent organism. By looking for good suitable vector, we'll go for the size. How much size of DNA, foreign DNA it can hold, and how is have restriction sites suitable for the foreign DNA, and we'll go for the, we'll see is there any origin of replication, and we'll see that is there any antibiotic resistance reason. So here correct answer is parent organism. Coming to the question number 11, which antibiotic resistance is present in PBR 322? This is the vector, plasmid vector. So which is antibiotic resistant present in this plasmid vector? Option A, ampicillin. Option B, kanamycin. Option D, lactase. Option D, gentamicin. And here correct answer is it has ampicillin and tetracycline resistant marker gene. So here it can based on options antibiotic resistance present in PBR 322 is ampicillin. Thank you for watching.